Adhivalia.
Yeah.
Adhivalia and this is the moment. It's going to be the moment for you. Right, Adhivalia. Ini kami akan membuat penentuan berdasarkan apa yang sudah katakan ya. Yeah, do the best ya.
Okay, thank you.
Sebelum saya mulai, saya mungkin nah, ini baru sudah dikenal tapi lagi ya, kunci.
Ya.
Tiga. Di sebelah kanan saya kunci sumber yang di belakang saya Win dan saya sebagai pembimbing sekaligus ujian penutup ujian ini. Dan ujiannya akan diadakan dalam bahasa Inggris ya.
Yeah.
So, perform in English the best you can.
Okay.
Right? So yeah, Adhivalia, let's have a pray first before we start this examination. The pray again. Adhivalia, now you have about 10 minutes to present what you write and the idea that you have. 10 minutes for the works. Okay? Time is yours.
Okay. Should
Okay, time is yours.
Should I sit or stand?
You can sit down, you can stand up, as you wish.
Okay.
Whatever you feel easy for you and convenient.
Okay. Okay. Good afternoon. My name is Adhivalia Nur Hanifa. Today I will present.
Could you speak loudly, please?
Okay.
This is when you may use
Yeah.
I think I'm okay. I will speak louder. Today I will present my final paper study titled Tom Wingfield's Path Towards Self-Freedom in the Glass Menagerie. Freedom is one of the most essential human needs every person wants, and anyone wants to able to make choices and pursue their dreams and have independent life. However, in reality, many people still feel trapped by responsibility, expectation, and family obligation. Freedom is not only the absence of control, but as harmony between what a person does and what they truly believe, whether their action contradicts their own belief or not. According to Cambridge Dictionary, freedom is a right to act the way you think you should. Similar to the first statement, is to follow what they truly believe, is right, not just what they want to do. A person becomes truly free when they are aware of their own responsibility and consciously decide who they want to be. Freedom is not simply the ability to act without limits, but the realization that every decision leads to an effect of that decision taken. Not only escaping control, but finding balance where a person's choices match their belief. Tom's path represents the process of reaching self-freedom through the choices he makes and the challenges he faces. Path is a set of action that leads to a good character's journey of changes and self-discovery. A journey.
Still make it louder.
Okay. A path.
It's like on a stage in theater.
Okay. A path or a journey is that something that leads the character through stages of separation, challenges, and return. Meaning, path is often difficult and involves struggles and lessons that help a person or a character to develop. The problem formulation developed based on the previous background are why Tom struggled to gain self-freedom and how does he achieve the self-freedom. The focus of the study is Tom Wingfield and the Glass Menagerie play script itself. The objective of the study is to seek how Tom Wingfield's journey toward his self-freedom, the reason for his delayed self-independence, and how he grew as a person through his decision he picked along the way. The method of the study is by using descriptive qualitative to analyze Tom's development and to interpret the meaning of his action, conflict, motivation. The data collected is by library research, meaning the data I collected is written source such as book, article, journal, including the sources online. Freedom is the ability to make personal choices, as stated before, by psychological and emotional independence. Freedom is a sense of balance between someone does and what they truly believe in. Any choices once made has consequences requiring taking responsibility, and freedom is more than breaking away from the limitation, but also self-awareness about certain choices and realizing that any choices picked have consequences forward. While path is a set of action that lead toward a goal, not limited only to movement or progress, it also involves reflection, struggle, and personal growth that gives meaning to each stages of journey. People gradually move toward self-realization, learning from each difficulty. Inner conflict happens when someone struggles between two opposing desires or duties. The main reason character grows and changes is by having internal conflict due to having to push either mentally or psychologically. Inner conflict connected to the psychological struggle between what a person wants and what they feel responsible for. Inner conflict also influences decision making and emotional growth rather than being a source of suffering. Inner conflict not just about struggle, but it is part of how people learn and define who they are. This study applies the objective approach by M.H. Abrams of the objective approach. While the related studies proceed to study this final paper are by Bauer. Their study focused on escape and illusion. Zulkarnain et al. Focusing on character personality, naivety, focusing on language and emotion, Fomesi, focusing on economic pressure, Nancia are focusing on escapism and coping mechanism, while Pramono is focusing on inner conflict. None of the study yet discuss about Tom's struggle towards self-freedom. Therefore, the gap will fill by my research. First of all, the factors preventing Tom from his freedom are family responsibility, emotional guilt, and lack of control. While the stages Tom faced toward his self-freedom are escape, self-awareness, and finally his final departure. The first reason for preventing his freedom are family responsibility. Tom becomes the sole breadwinner after his father left the family. He is expected to protect and support his mother and his sister. When characters are bound by such obligation, their personal wants are often surpassed under family expectation. His dreams are sacrificed and responsibility becomes a burden. This can be seen at the quotation of one of the statement of the character Amanda. But until that time, you've got to look out for your sister. But I say for your sister because she's young and dependent. The statement reinforces that responsibilities Tom's held. He must fulfill his family desire first before fulfilling his personal needs. Over time, Tom feels that his responsibility is so heavy that he stated, house, who pays rent on it, who makes a slave of himself. Through this line, Tom feeling that his financial responsibility has turned into a form of emotional enslavement. His words reflecting resentment rather than pride for being the family provider, showing that the role given to him only making his freedom more impossible to reach. Tom's only seeing work as daily sacrifice rather than a means toward independence. Tom experiences it as daily sacrifices. This exhaustion adds to his resentment, especially when his sacrifices are being dismissed and when he got misunderstood by his own family. His frustration as the provider shows when he admits that, "But I get up, I go for $65 a month. I give up all that dream I have. I give up all that I dream of and being ever, and you say self's all I think of." His statement shows that his responsibility forces him to give up on his own dream and ambition. Instead of making Tom feel independent, work only adds more stress. The mention of his dream highlights the emotional cost of responsibility, and his sacrifices is deeply personal. Emotional guilt. The second point of what preventing Tom from self-freedom.
Already 10 minutes. Even further. Okay, Pak Suryo.
Alright, yeah. Adevalia.
Yes.
Adevalia Nur Hanifah. Let's start from your finding. So what did you find?
I find that
Let's start from your finding. So what did you find?
Tom.
Loud.
I find that the character Tom have struggle.
So what did you find? Tell me what you found.
The obstacle that faced
The
by the character.
Faced by the character. Okay. Can you show me that you wrote it here? The obstacles?
The obstacle, yeah.
Where is it? In this book?
In chapter 3,
Chapter 3.
that factors that prevent Tom gaining self-freedom.
Yeah. So what is the obstacles?
The obstacle that
What are the obstacles perhaps?
the family obligation.
Yeah. Now, did you get it from the novel or from
No.
somewhere?
By reading the play script.
Oh, the president. Did you write it here?
Sorry.
Did you write here the data or the findings?
Yes.
Where is it?
By the quotation, it
Yeah,
shown
where
that.
is it? So be.
Oh, the. I don't have the page.
Page what? Page 16, for example.
Page.
For example, here is you start your finding from page 15.
Yes.
Which one?
Page 16, where the quotation.
Okay, Amanda.
Yes.
Alright, so it is related to the obstacles.
Yes.
Can you read it? Amanda, but until that time, you got to look out for your sister. I say for your sister because she is young and independent. So what is the obstacle?
As the obstacle is our family. By Amanda is part of his family. So Amanda tells Tom that he cannot he cannot leave the family before
That is the one that you are supposed to write here, right? If it is written in the novel, whatever, maybe, I don't know, sentence or what, and if you think that that is an obstacle, please write it. I didn't catch any, but until the time you got to look out for your sister, I say for your sister because she's young and dependent. Can you explain? Maybe because he's young, maybe because his sister is young.
That how you explain it by Amanda stating to Tom that he cannot leave. He must look after his sister. Is putting responsibility of his sister to Tom.
Yeah, it seems that you understood, but you didn't write it. Yeah, and I think it's better, I circle number 16, write what you found, what you found. Okay. So because your readers should understand what are the obstacles there. So if it is written in the novel, just write down in your paper. In your paper. And next, what do you found? What did you find? In addition to the obstacles?
The emotional guilt.
Emotional.
Guilt.
Guilt. Okay.
Around
and what?
Around page 18 or 19.
18 or 19. 18N, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. 18 and 19. Okay. So what did you write related to emotional guilt?
That Tom is made to be an emotional support.
Yeah. Did you write here?
Yes. Around page 19.
Page 19.
Under the quotation, I wrote that Tom is positioned as Amanda's emotional support.
I've had to put up a solitary battle. Ini, yeah, this one, right?
Under the quotation, the first paragraph.
I'm old and dormitory. Is like that?
No, not the quotation to be exact.
Well, get it from the novel. Anything that is related to emotional guilt must be taken from the novel.
This I did write it from the play script.
This one?
It was not a novel. It is a play script of drama.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. A play script of drama. Okay. So just write down what you got from the script. Yeah.
Yes.
So if you are making something like, what is it called? Different narration, it will be dangerous because anything must be taken from real data. The data that you are, depending on is the script of the drama, right? So write down here. Yeah. Once again, page 19. Write your data. Okay. So later, if you come to me, I just want to see the data. Okay.
Are the quotation I wrote and the paragraph?
Yes.
No, but I already wrote the quotation. I already quote the quotation that indicates that Tom supposed to be Amanda's emotional support.
Yeah.
It is the quotation on page 19.
Page 19, this one? Okay.
Yes.
This one? This one?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Is it related to emotional guilt? We have to make sure. Yeah, we have to make sure. Yeah. When Amanda declares I'm old and don't matter, I want this life here. Yeah. Is that emotional guilt also?
Yes,
Oh, I see.
that Amanda making Tom to feel guilty.
Amanda is was making Tom to make guilty. Just like
Yes.
to make him guilty. Yeah. Yeah. You have to write just right. Yeah. Just right. And next, what is it?
Um,
Yeah, initial two obstacles, emotional guilt, and lack of control. Just like that.
yes.
Yeah, lack of control. Lack of control. The same thing, I think. Page what? 25, 23,
Around 24 to 25.
to 25. Okay, good. 24 to 25. How control? I just want you to make me understand about your quotation, yeah?
Okay.
Amanda, I don't believe that you go every night to the movies. Nobody goes to the movies night after night. So, this is control? Is this
No, this
an example of control?
more like constant monitoring and constant questioning about Tom's whereabouts.
Oh, I see. Where are you going? Tom, I'm going to the movies. This is, did you write here that is, okay, yeah, just like this.
Yes.
This is what I want, yeah. You have to depend on your data and try to explain the data, just like that, yeah.
Okay.
That is why in this unit, this is called findings and discussion. You have to share your findings and you have to discuss what you have found, just like that. Okay, good. And then go on to the introduction then. Go to the introduction. Okay. What do you like to do? What do you like to do?
I'm sorry?
Yeah, share, what is it, your idea to me. What do you like to do?
What I like to do,
Yeah.
as in,
Yeah, by writing this paper, what do you like to do?
I'd like to study how the character Tom find his self freedom in the glass menagerie.
Okay. Did you write here? The one that you like to do? Did you write here?
Not exactly.
You have to write it, yeah? There is no wrong statement, there is no wrong condition. Yeah? But as long as it is written and everybody understands what you like to do, that's correct. Okay, ba? So you have to write what you like to do. Okay? And what you like to have by doing this research.
Understanding the background of the character
Did you
Tom.
write here? Did you write here on the introduction? Yeah, so you should write, yeah? Okay. Introduction here I will write, sorry. Write what you like to do. And write what you like to have or what you want to have.
Aren't it already
Yeah.
written on the problem formulation?
Problem formulation, yeah. Is
Why-
there any problem?
Finding why does Tom have trouble gaining self-freedom and how he achieved the
That's
self-freedom.
good, yeah. But you have to start from formulating the problem first. What is the problem?
The problem, he faced difficulty toward his
Did you write
self-freedom.
here? The problem is that you understand what you do, but you didn't write. Yeah? I think you should write what you like to do, what you like to have, what you want. It's like that. Yeah? Just write it down in the introduction. I think your literature review is quite good. Yeah? And you can explain why you do something and why don't you do something. Yeah? That's good. Yeah, I really agree with your literature review. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Pak Surya.
Thanks. Why did you choose this play instead of novels or other work?
I interested in this play script specifically because I have theater background. I have played theater before, so I'm more interested in studying and play script instead of novel. Yes.
What is interesting in this ministry besides the subject you study?
I found the character Tom quite related to the people around me, so and a bit related to myself. So I want to study him to understand what the factors that Tom faced, the difficulty that Tom's face before he reached his decision.
There are many works concerned with freedom or freedom pursuit and the kind of need to be free. What is specific in this play?
I like how Tom have the I like how the character Tom is portrayed in the play. He narrate his own story in the play. I like how he tells his own story and how he shows that every path have its own consequences, that not everything one's like to have is always a good thing.
Do you think all this is started from parenting?
I'm sorry, can you please repeat?
Do you think what happens in this play is started from the way the parents treat their children?
The parents' treatment to the children. Yes, I think it has related to the parents' action toward their children.
How about his sister? Does his sister experience similar problem, psychological problem?
Tom's sister faced different kind of problem. Even though I did not focus on her character itself, I'm focusing on Tom. But as I read the play script and I wrote this my final paper, I understand that his sister have like anxiety problem and lack of um, lack of confidence in herself due to her disability, which didn't actually show much because her figure is only like one of her feet is a bit longer than the other one, so she is self-conscious about that.
Yes, his sister's condition also play an important part of this graph of freedom.
Yes,
In what ways?
his sister's disability also play roles in Tom's freedom because Tom is feeling bound to his sister. He is feeling like he must replace his father's position as the head of the family, taking care of the family, his mother, his sister, the paying bills, paying rent. He did not feel confident enough to leave the family because he thinks about how his sister will live on, how his mother will live on, like that. Because he is the only male in the family and the only breadwinner, the only provider. So he feels it. No, it is shown as per my understanding that he feels guilty to leave his sister behind if he ever leave, which he did.
Well, how about his mother? She's a widow, right?
Sorry?
His mother.
Yes.
Does his mother also put responsibility on him?
Yes. His mother did.
Automatically. What
Yeah.
does he do actually?
Tom.
Yes.
He is a shoemaker in a warehouse.
Talking about the title, the blessed ministry, does it refer to Laura
No.
or Tom?
Yes, I only focus on Tom.
I mean, the significance of the title of the play, the blessed ministry. Does it represent Tom's situation, psychological situation, or the family, or his sister?
For how I understand it, it's represent the family. It's the glass menagerie is are delicate but fragile, like Tom's family condition. It can easily breakable, something like that.
Most readers believe that it was more to his sister. Right? But do you think Tom is also that fragile?
I don't think Tom is that fragile.
When you read this play, what did you think for the first time? It's not a happy, cheerful play, right?
Yes.
Why are you interested in it?
I feel like the story, especially the part where towards the ending, are very relatable to real life. Like where Tom finally chased his freedom. He chooses his freedom, his independent life, but the consequences of his option, the choices he made, deeply left regret in him. Like he regret for leaving his sister, his family. I feel like that that's something really relatable to life. Like not always about family, but also in many ways. Like maybe in other ways we might pick something that we don't really like it, or we despise it, but it's actually good for us. It's actually the better option rather than what we actually want, that has the possibility or probably not really good for foreseeable future, for our own future self.
You personally see this play as a tragedy or is it tragic or not to you?
Yeah, quite tragic. Quite tragic, yes.
What do you expect your readers might learn from the reading?
I hope that by reading my paper, the readers understand that not everything we dream, not everything we want is the best for us. I want the readers to understand that sometimes if life gives you challenges, we can face it. And to not bend over backwards to someone that make us feel like we are useless, we are not that important.
How long did you prepare everything? I mean, back then you were from the first time you
Start
the play and you decided to just stop playing.
how long I choose the title for this? Around a month. I was deciding between The Glass Menagerie and The Death of the Salesman, but I picked this, The Glass Menagerie.
Has Ada ever performed this?
Sorry?
Has Ada ever performed this play?
Oh, no, not yet.
What helped you most in deciding the Palm's freedom? how did you finally categorize that this is conflict, this control, this family responsibility make him want to be free? I mean, your steps in deciding the Catholic conversation, what have you to make that decision?
I use the same principle of analyzing novels. By analyzing novel, it has the same principle by analyzing a play script. So I implement that to the play script itself.
Were you hurt by many psychological tools, articles in doing this research?
In researching,
Psychological tools, articles, where you have this knowledge?
by psychological. I'm sorry, I did not catch what you are saying.
Books on psychology, articles on psychology.
Oh.
Would they have used and doing this?
As I search articles by online.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I just have my questions, but I think my question is about a little bit of part of your paper. It's just about your curiosity. Why is the title of the play The Glass Menagerie? The Glass Menagerie. Have you ever thought what glass menagerie? Does it have any correlation with the family of the extent? Have you ever thought about that?
Not particularly. Not particularly.
Not particularly,
But I was in impression that the Glass Menagerie is about Tom's family conditions.
What condition then? Why the name is Glass Menagerie?
That the Glass Menagerie are fragile. They're fragile, but just like Tom's family, that are not perfect because the father is absent. Therefore, making the family broken.
Okay. Easy, fragile. That's the family. That is why the Glass Menagerie is also collected by Maria. No, Laura.
Laura.
By Laura. Maria. Yeah. Okay. This is that. You say about
What did you say? The analysis of novel? 6.
Play.
No, you said that the analysis of novel is quite the same, I don't know, the same as how to... What did you say?
How I making the analysis about this play script is analysis.
Not analyze.
Analysis, yes.
The noun is analysis.
Yeah, okay. Analysis. This analysis is similarly like analyzing novel.
Novel.
Yes.
This is
By
something 6 components, 6 what? Can you say?
I did not say 6 component.
Okay. So, did you write here that your analysis is based on the analysis of Who?
similarly like novels.
Yeah, did you write it here?
I did. Yes, at page 2.
Page 2, okay. Excuse me. Let me open. Page 2, page 2, page 2. Which one, Pak?
The one that although the Glass Menagerie is a play.
It serves the same narrative function as a novel in human experience with magic characters. I see the genres or readers to universal individuals. Did you put it also this what is it clarification to into the what is it into the theory or what is it? Page number 3, reading number 3. Yeah, theoretical framework. Did you put it here?
I did not put it on theoretical framework.
Because this is good to explain, I think. Yeah. It serves the same narrative function as the novel in exploring human experience. I think this is good to explore. Maybe you can put it in theoretical background also. Yeah.
Okay.
Put it in the theory. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. I think that's enough for the first session. And then just leave everything here. We will call you back
Okay.
for the second session.